Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Simple Car Stuff. In this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to do a fix on your windshield wiper. In my case, one windshield wiper was working perfectly and the other one was stuck in place, not moving at all. All you're going to need is a 12mm socket, at least in my case, and about 5 to 10 minutes of your time. Enjoy this video. So today we will do a little repair on the Scion XB. What's going on is this windshield wiper works and this one over here just stays in the same place in the downward position. So we're going to fix that. So the first thing we're going to do is pop the hood, and that will give us access to this bolt, which will allow me to remove the windshield wiper. So I removed the 12mm bolt and wiggled the windshield wiper off. And when you come in here, it's hard to see, but there's supposed to be little splines in there. Let's see if I can focus it. Little metal splines, and you can kind of see it. It's kind of riveted. Well, the issue is my windshield wiper came loose, and so those splines are supposed to attach to the windshield wiper, and then this thing will turn, and the windshield wiper goes up and down. Well, my problem is when it came loose, since I had to use the windshield wiper, at least my driver's side one, because it worked, I had to use it, I wore off those splines because they just wore down when it was loose in trying to turn the windshield wiper. So I'm gonna see if there's still some life left on that, and I'm gonna put the windshield wiper back on and tighten it up real well and see if that works. If not, I'll have to replace this part, which I'm not sure how expensive that is. So when the windshield wiper is on, you can see this thing is turning. I hope you can see that. I put my finger on it, so it's turning. It is working properly. It's just that it was a little bit loose. All right, so I'm just gonna put that windshield wiper back on and really make sure it's tight. So it was not tight before. And then we're gonna see if it works. So I probably down the road will need to replace that part that's behind the bolt. I think it's the actual transmission, and but we'll see if we can get some more life out of this one. All right, I am now inside the car, and let's see if the problem is solved. There we go, both windshield wipers working.